How to add your first expense in Wave. First of all, log into your Wave account and go to your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Accounting section and from the drop-down, select Transactions to access all your bank and cash activities. Next, click on Add Manual Transaction from the options provided. This will open a form where you can record the details of your expense. Start by selecting the date when the expense was made and then add a description. Next, select the account from which the payment was made, such as your bank account, credit card or cash. Then choose withdrawal as the type instead of deposit. Enter the amount for the transaction and select a category that best fits the expense like office supplies, utilities or travel. You can also add a customer or vendor if applicable. Next, add any notes if needed, such as details about the purpose of the expense or related project. If you have a receipt, you can upload it to the transaction for proper documentation. Finally, click Save to record your expense in Wave. Once saved, the expense will appear in your transaction list and Wave will automatically update your financial reports, helping you track spending and manage your budget effectively. Now you know how to add your first expense in Wave. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.